In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can remove a Gmail account from the iPhone Mail app. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more videos just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there so I can help you out further. Let's go ahead and get started by opening up the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down on this page until you see the option for apps. Open that up, and then what you're going to want to do is just search at the bottom for mail. Go ahead and select that option, and it's going to open up your mail settings. And what you're going to want to do up at the very top is select mail accounts. Now from here, you're going to see a list of all the accounts currently linked to your mail app. You're going to want to select Gmail from within here, and at the very bottom, you're going to see an option to delete that account. Now, obviously, I've already done this, so I don't have that Gmail account linked on here anymore. But select delete account. Don't worry, you're not actually deleting Gmail itself or your Gmail email. You're just removing it from the mail app on your iPhone. Confirm that choice, and once done, the Gmail account is going to be fully removed from your mail app. If you open the app again, you'll see it no longer actually appears there. But that is really it. That's how you can remove a Gmail account from the mail app on your iPhone. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.